Get him interested. Okay, you do it now. Do it. Okay, you do it. You played with them. Pull it out. Oh! Jacked him. Yeah. Wave it around. Wave it around. Keep playing with him. He likes playing. Here you go. Show him. Show him your straw. Oh my, he's got it. He's good. Trick him. Trick him. Trick him. I don't know who's playing with who. It's a fun game. I might let Clyde go upstairs again. Don't kick him. You got to be gentle. Get it? Pull it. Pull it. Uh-oh. Can you get it? You got it. Okay, don't kick. Gentle. Kick him. You're a good cat, Clyde. Oh, he's still playing. You probably don't want to put that in your mouth, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did he get it?
You get it, Brendan?
We all done? You let the kitty have it? Are you sagging, big boy? Whippy. Let's wave to the camera. Daddy got a nice film.
Say hi to Grandpa and Grandma
Hi,
and Nana and Grandpa.
Nana, Grandpa.
Say hi.
Hi from Clyde and Brendan.
Whee!
Whee! Yay!
All kinds of action-packed stuff on this movie.
Night night, we're going to bed.